Hey everyone, today I'm going to be writing a cute little pen pal letter to my friend Kiah. So this is a winter themed pen pal, and for the little goodies and decorations and stuff, I'll be using the winter themed stickers that I made totally from scratch using really basic supplies that I'm sure you have around your house. And if you're interested to watch actually the process of making those stickers, you can check that out right up here. So all of the things that I'll be giving with this pen pal package and actually using to decorate it are completely made from scratch, like I said. So all of that sort of blue watercolor paper I made myself using my Krill Super Tips, and even the information about how to make that can actually be found in my video where I made those stickers in the first place. So I love making these videos because number one, I really enjoy pen paling. It's so calming, aesthetically pleasing, and a great way to connect with friends. But the other reason that I like making these videos is to kind of bust the myth that pen paling requires a lot of stationery, a lot of honestly money spent on stationery, buying all these little stickers and washies and things like that, because that is so not true. I made all of this stuff from scratch. The paper that I used to decorate my pen pal letter, the stickers, all of those were made by hand, and they're things that you can totally do. Now, you definitely don't need to do all these things to make a perfectly good pen pal letter, but I do want to give you some ideas if you are looking for sort of a cheaper, more minimalistic approach to pen paling. So today's letter is for my friend Kiah, and I'm going to include pretty much the same things that I typically include in a pen pal letter. I've got a little letter for her, playlist, little challenges, a question sheet, and then a little sort of envelope full of goodies, stickers, and things like that. So let's jump in and do some pen paling. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed writing this little pen pal letter to my friend Kiah. If you did, please feel free to leave a like and let me know in the comments. I would absolutely love to hear from you. So see you guys in my next video.